Hi Praful, happy to see you again. Thank you for joining me on the show.
Hi Deepak, it is always pleasure to be in touch with you and connect with you.
Praful, how has selling of tiles changed since the onset of the pandemic from the point of view of channel partners? What new skills are they required to have to be successful in this
As
trade?
such, our life has changed. Basically, our lives have changed. Our relationship has changed. Our thinking has changed. So many things have changed. So similarly, our communication and our bloodline with our customers or our retailers or distributors have changed a lot. We have learned so many new things where we can see and they have accepted a new way of communication and new way of business also, which is more digitalization basically. Business has been shifted a lot from physical to digital. That I can. I give you a very simple example that physical catalog we used to dispatch like 100 catalogs we are dispatching to Chennai, and then my guy will take it up delivery, and then he'll distribute 20, 22, 5 dealers or 10 dealers, something like this. He will be doing it. Instead of today, we are making a much better, more presentable, much elaborated catalog on digital media or digital base, and we are circulating on WhatsApp, and people are accepting that physical samples may not be available now. Physical POPs will not be available to them now. Physical presence of executive may not be available to them now. So a lot of dealers, I would say, and I appreciate, they have adopted technology very fast, and they have already done in a very small rural areas. If you say deep in rural areas, it is somewhere like because of connectivity or because of updation or education, it's not happening. But most of the A or B class cities, like tier one, tier two class, this is already being taken.
What are your key product categories now, and what growth are you expecting in these various categories?
See, if you see during last year, one quarter was very badly damaged. First quarter was very badly damaged because of the same scenario what we had in the this year first quarter. The pandemic was very badly affecting the sale, communication, modus operandi, everything was doing it. But uh, progressive 3 quarters have given us a tremendous support, and we recovered whatever we lost in the Q1 in the last year. And I think most of the companies in ceramics must have done the similar thing, but large brands have done wonderfully well. So this year also, the Q1, as I see, that would be a little bit disturbed. Not so much like last year, but little bit was disturbed. But the business has progressively picked up very well now, and demand is very good right now. Asian has added a lot of new products in this year. Size-wise, we have a bigger SKUs now. Product-wise, we have better verticals now. Like we have different quality of quartz available, marble available. We have bigger tiles available, platform tiles available. Besides that, we are also investing more into the enhancing our capacities in different locations. We have more than 11 plants in our own kitty, and plus we have our associates where we are outsourcing. We are doing white labeling with them, outsourcing under our brand. So there are almost around 10 other partners with us who are associated with us, those who are supplying material to us from a very long time. Our relationship with them is very healthy, and since we have spent number of years with them, it shows that our bonding is very good. So that is manufacturing base in India. I think we are the only one company, I can very proudly proclaim, that which has got the largest product basket, because we are very widely spread platform we have with
How are
us.
you making it interesting for channel partners to work with AGL? What kind of an experience can they expect from the company in the coming months?
See, any business has got basically two combination of getting satisfaction. One is like, a pride feeling of dealing with a company like your brand value. And second is ultimately Krapa of Mahalakshmi. That is important. That in business is very important that you are getting a good remuneration from the deal or from the process or transaction, whatever you are getting it. So it is very important as a Asian, being a young and energetic company and very aggressive company, we take care of two things. One, what we do it like, we make sure that brand is very visible everywhere. And you can see that Asian is one among the top 5 brands in India right now. And very visible from east to west and south to north everywhere. Second, what we are giving, that we give the kind of a product mix which is giving on an average a very good returns to them, because some of the product maybe which are very competitive products, suppose if I talk about soluble salt tile 2x2, would not give much of the margins to my channel partner. But there are tiles which are having like much better margin, or quartz or marble, sanitary ware, CP fittings, they give them much better margins and much better realization. So as an average, realization, what they get it is very satisfactory to my channel partner. That is one satisfaction they get it. Second, the kind of brand support we give them. So it gives them a pride feeling that they are associated with a large company, they are associated with an established group, they are associated with a very established and known brand. So that gives them a lot of happiness it gives to them. So with that kind of a consideration that we are thankful to them for being with us, we take care of them on both ends. One is physical end and second is like an emotional end.
What kind of investments did you make in branding in the last year or generally have been making over the last few years?
See, basically, if you see, our budgets have been pretty large. On sales and marketing, we have been investing almost around 85 to 100 crores every year. Last year, since the physical advertisement was less, so we have saved, although we have saved money, but we have done much higher, we have spent much higher amount of hours or amount of energy in our branding. So we could go on online, since the online platform like Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn, plus your availability on different channels, business channels, everything was available. With that, we have spent comparatively less amount last year, but we have done much bigger job than what we used to do before.
How has the company performed in the past year?
Company results were very fantastic. If you see the 12 months result, we have shown the results, which is already updated on the stock exchange also. Couple of days before we had our AGM, where we have declared officially our result, and company has posted a whooping profit of more than 58 crore rupees, which is like one of the best profit in the industry, if you see, and one of the best time in the history of AGL also. So AGL, in spite of having a bad year, bad first quarter, and we have balanced ourselves very well, and we have shown very good numbers and very good results.
How are you ensuring that the investment of your channel partners is optimized and they earn a high or above average ROI?
Getting good ROI from a one company is very difficult many of the time, because most of the companies in ceramics, if you see, or in tile industry, they are into one vertical. For example, if they are making GPT tile or polished vitrified tile, something like this, PGVT, what we call it, or they are making double charge, or they are making only soluble salt. So most of the companies are, out of 950 companies, you would find more than 900 companies are like this, which are focusing only on one product segment. Okay, but with us is the biggest benefit they have, where they can have a multiple round of their investment, because we give them a product basket itself available from the Morbi itself. One channel partner, for example, in Pondicherry is sitting there. Okay, and he want one truck. Okay, but he cannot afford to have one truck of, for example, PVGVT tile of 2x2 or 2x4. Okay, now if he's buying from any other company, they will simply say refuse, and they will not be able to supply anything. But in our case, what we are doing it, we are giving them a facility. We give them complete basket of the product under one umbrella, under one truck. A small entity or a small dealer or a small retailer can also buy a mix of product, and that is how their ROI is comparatively better than others, and they liquidate the material very fast. They can sell it off very fast, their material, and they can come back to us with the same investment, instead of having, like, for example, if I say a far away dealer in Pondicherry or far away dealer in Jammu and Kashmir would have around 4 round of their investment. Okay, with us they can do around 6 to 7 round of their investment.
How large is your distribution network in terms of distributors and dealers, and in which regions are you planning to expand your network?
In Asian Granito, we have more than 6,000 touch-base point available with us at the time of pandemic, and within 3 months we are scheduled to target at more than 7,000. We will do it. As far as increasing these numbers are concerned, I think the team is quite active, and they are trying to do it more on eastern part of the country, central part of the country, especially if I talk about the UP province, Uttarakhand, West Bengal, Himachal Pradesh. These are the one where we would like to grow more and more aggressively. I would like to mention here very specifically that Asian Granito is the only company which has got channel partners globally in more than 100 countries. Can you believe it? More than 100 countries we have our channel partners, and in last year we have increased our approach, our partnerships from 73 countries to be precise to 100 countries. And this year we are targeting more than 110 countries. So we are one among the exporter from India who are doing a very large quantity of exports. But we are the largest one in having in terms of partnership with the channel partners globally. So our Prime Minister also has a vision of becoming a manufacturing hub in India. So during this period, when we are talking about becoming a global player, I think we should have our focus on increasing our partnership internationally. And for this, we need to do a lot of activities, which is also required participating in international exhibitions, which are there in Germany, Spain, Italy, Turkey, Iran, and some part of America also. We do it. We do it every year. Second is creating a brand India. Very important thing is that we have to create brand India. You know, like for example, there is a brand USA, brand Japan. Brand Japan was very bad before World War II. After the World War, if you see, all Japanese goods used to be treated like, very bad, very poor in quality. But over the period of they created brand Japan. Okay, so we have to create something like this, and I am sure all my colleagues in the industry and my co-manufacturers and pro-promoters, they are working very hard. In last 5 years, especially, the kind of product basket we have generated, it is one of the best in the world. Also, we are giving a very, very tough fight to Chinese product, not only quality-wise, we are definitely superior than Chinese product, but price-wise also. But this is a good time for us that we focus on global market also, and India becomes a global hub for supplying tiles.